Hello, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Chris, and I am one of the Shortcuts educators here, predominantly based here in the Southeast. So I hope everyone had a lovely Easter, and I hope everyone's staying safe out there. So we just got the one webinar today, but we're going to be carrying on with the full day of webinars tomorrow. So if you're just on this one, you can also jump on our webinars tomorrow as well. Okay, so we're going to be going through online gift cards, e-gift cards, okay? Now, this is a fantastic way to generate revenue. We've had an absolutely brilliant response to our online gift cards. The fantastic thing about online gift cards is if you're already utilizing our normal physical Shortcuts gift cards, they are free of charge, okay? The online gift cards are free of charge, sorry. So what we're going to be going through today is, the main benefits of having online gift cards. Today's webinar will predominantly be a slideshow. If you've been on my webinars before, you know I have a nice mixture of slideshows as well as a live demonstration. But predominantly today, it will probably be about 60-40 of slideshows compared to the live demonstration, just so you can refer back to things if you need to. Okay. So I think everyone has now joined us there. So let's press on. If you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know at the end. So the duration of this webinar will be approximately 45 minutes. Of course, depending on how quickly we get through it, how many questions, it may be around the 45, it may be close to the hour, but we'll see how we get on. Now, of course, my microphone is switched on and everyone has automatically been muted. So please don't try and talk to me during this webinar. I would love you to, but if you could just type in the chat box or on the question and answer box, that'd be perfect. And you can do this throughout or at the end. It's entirely up to you. I will probably answer them all at the end just so we can get through all of it. You may find that I do answer all of the questions throughout anyway, but we'll see how we get on. Let's make it fun. Let's make it nice and interactive, okay? So do please feel free to ask me any questions. Please don't worry about if you're thinking you may feel a bit silly or a little, it's not quite a relevant question. Do please ask, okay? There's no such thing as a silly question when you're with me. So here's the deal. So what we're going to learn today. Why does your business need gift cards? What are the benefits of online gift cards? How to set these up and redeem gift cards? Now, I do also run another webinar, which was run last week and which will most likely run next week. Just a real quick way to show you how to redeem gift cards in a live demonstration. But if you're already using them, of course, it's exactly the same redeeming your online gift cards as it is redeeming physical gift cards. And of course, how to promote your gift cards. Now, Shortcuts marketing through our cloud appointment book is an absolutely fantastic way to promote your online gift cards. Okay, so if you've not looked at that, I don't think we're running it tomorrow. We did run it last week, but do get on our YouTube channel and you can see it there. If not, drop me an email and we can go from there with it. So why use gift cards? Gift cards are a great way to get return customers. Of course, they do a lot more than that. So almost half of all customers using gift cards will spend more than 20% of the value on their visit. Okay, so just think about that. When they've got a gift card, it's a bit like free money to them. So they're more likely to spend more money on their services, on their retail product. Now, of course, when all this is over and done with and the doors do open to a salon, there's going to be a flood of customers. So already having those gift cards in their pockets, in their purses, in their wallets, they're most likely to spend 20% more than the value of their visit. Gift cards are directly linked to profit. So people shopping with gift cards are 2.5 times more likely to pay full price for products. Okay, so again, think about that, 2.5 times more likely to pay for full price products. Okay, I know we've had this debate. We were speaking about it Wednesday, Thursday last week. I think it was, when the doors do open after COVID-19, should we be discounting anything? Well, if they've already got a gift card, they're 2.5 times more likely to pay full price. Okay, they generate leads. So gift cards can often be presented to entirely new customers, okay? So maybe to friends, family, a recommendation, that kind of thing. Gift cards boost sales, okay? And they can be redeemed during the post-holiday slump, should we say, okay? So it's great at Christmas. I know we're not thinking about that yet. The weather is beautiful out there. I know we can't do anything. Let's make sure we stay safe. But like I said, when the doors do open, it's a fantastic way to generate sales. So what is the difference? So we often get asked this. You may have seen in your Shortcuts Fusion system, we have something called gift certificates as well as gift cards. So there is a difference. This may just sort of clarify that for you now. So gift certificates is essentially if you create your own gift certificates. Okay, so you print them off, get them created, all that kind of thing. So they're trackable by number. The cards and gift certificates, they cannot be reloaded, okay? So if you want to be a little bit greener, you want to sort of reload a gift certificate, reuse it, you can't do that if you're using your own. You can check the balance by running the outstanding gift certificate report. You can do that in Fusion, and that will show you any outstanding gift certificates that you've created yourself. So gift certificates are only if you created gift certificates yourself. Cards and certificates only redeemable at the site it's purchased. Okay, so if you're a multi-site salon, more than one site, you can only redeem it at the site it was purchased. Okay, so you might have a client that flicks between two. So gift me gift cards. This is if you see the word gift card in your Shortcuts Fusion system. So gift cards through Shortcuts is fully integrated with your Shortcuts Fusion system. These cards can be reloadable, which means you can use them over and over again. Okay, so less wastage. You can easily check the balance at your point of sale screen. So if someone comes in and says, look, I've had this gift card laying around for a couple of months, I'm not quite sure how much is left on it. You can scan that gift card at the point of sale screen and let that client instantly know how much is left. Okay. Cards can be sold or redeemed at any of your sites. So multi-site salons out there, these can be redeemed at any of the sites. And you can also have online gift card management. So you can manage it. You can loads of reports in the gift card console, which we're going to look at in just a bit. And of course, online gift cards. These can be purchased online. The recipient gets an email card and purchaser gets an email receipt. Okay, and cards can be redeemed at any of your sites again. So again, our multi-site salons, they can be redeemed at any. So they can purchase it at one and redeem it at the other. So loads of flexibility there. Okay, and of course, I kind of missed it off there, to be fair. I think I do touch on it a little bit later. It's instant. Okay, so it's fantastic. So maybe if you've forgotten, me think, oh my God, it was, someone's birthday this morning, anniversary, all of these kind of things. It's instant. Okay, so no hanging around for the postman or anything like that. Okay, so they're the differences there this morning, ladies and gents. So the benefits of online gift cards. Customers can purchase gift cards from any device at any time. So it's fantastic. You've got your laptops, you've got your tablets, you've got your mobile phones, that kind of thing. Instant digital delivery. There we go. So it's an instant digital delivery. You can reduce or eliminate costs associated with design, purchase, and shipping of physical gift cards. Like I said, it's all sent via the web. You can promote brand awareness organically. So you can send these about, you can send these through emails, that kind of thing. And you can eliminate bulky cards from your customer's wallet. Okay, so you know what it's like. We've all got the purses, we've got these wallets, we've got loads of cards, we've got our store cards in there, we've got other gift cards, loyalty cards, all of these kind of things. And they often get lost. They get pushed to the bottom of our bags, pushed to the bottom of our purses, wallets, these kind of things. They get forgotten about and it's wasted money. But of course, with online gift cards, ping, straight into the email inbox, fantastic, and it will be used. Like we said, 2.5 times more likely to pay full price for your products and spend more than 20% on the value of your service. Okay, so just think about that when we're moving forward. Multi-site capable. I know I've said it, but it is fantastic. We have loads of salons out there that have more than one site. Okay, and of course, moving forward, we've got to think big. We may wish to expand, and we don't want to alienate any of our customers that may wish to flick between our sites. Online gift card purchases do not show in the transactions yet, but when we do a rollout version upgrade, which is coming very soon, it will show. Okay, so it will show in the client's transaction list. Okay, so what we're going to go through now, we're going to go through just a couple of slides just showing you how to set your gift cards up in the point of sale screen, okay? But I am also going to do a live demonstration, okay? Now, if you're already using physical gift cards, the first couple of steps you will not need to do. So you may just want to just double check this. And again, I'm going to do it in a live demonstration, but you may find this is already being set up. Okay, so if you're already using physical Shortcuts gift cards, you will not need to do this. Okay, but if not, if you're watching this thinking, I don't know if I've done this, or I just want to double check, or I've never used physical gift cards, this is for yourselves. Okay, so of course, before you can use your online gift cards, you need to configure your Shortcuts POS system to accept gift cards. Okay, so what we need to do is simply update your payment options and create a new gift card option. Now, I appreciate the slides are a little bit small there, but what I've done, I've gone into configuration And on the left-hand side, I've clicked onto payment types. But fear not, I'm going to do this in a live demonstration. Okay, so I've gone into configuration and then payment types on the left-hand side. A complete guide on setting up and using gift cards is available on the online learning center, but I will also be running future webinars showing you how to do it. And of course, there is our website link down there. But don't worry, I'm going to do a live demonstration as well, just to make sure everyone's totally confident in this. Okay, so please do make sure you have a Stripe account set up. Now, this is an online payment provider. It's a bit like PayPal. If you've ever used PayPal, think of it like that. So you will need a Stripe account set up, okay? So as we can see, Stripe is the payment processor used for upfront payments in shortcuts and also for online gift cards. So if you are using upfront payments within the shortcut system, you will already have your Stripe account link, so you will not need to do this, okay? But if you don't have a Stripe account, you will need to create one. And you can just go onto Google, set up a Stripe account. Like I said, you can create a Stripe account and then link it to shortcuts by using the online console. Now, the online console is a website, which is console.shortcutsoftware.com. And this is what the online console looks like, is these beautiful color tiles here, just in case you weren't ever sure what that was called. That is our online console, and the URL is console.shortcutsoftware.com. Okay, now to link your Stripe account or to create a Stripe account, you would need to go to your Book Me settings, which is the one just in the middle, just here, with like the neon signs. And you need to click onto the upfront payment settings, okay? And that is on the right-hand side. And this is what it looks like just here, upfront payment settings. And if you haven't already linked your Stripe account, this is where you would do it. And you'd click on the Create Stripe account and just simply create one. Okay, so now we can look at setting up your online gift cards, okay? So again, we're going to be in the online console to do this. And in the bottom right-hand corner where there is a lady kissing her gift card, we're going to click into the gift card console. And it's this one just here where it says programs underneath it. Once you're in there, on the left-hand side, you'd click onto administration and you click onto the program button. And this is what it looks like just here. And this is where you're going to link your gift card program to your online gift cards, okay? So essentially your gift cards can now be purchased online. So if you have an existing program, you can update the online gift card terms here if you wish to. So again, if you've already got gift cards set up, all you're doing is simply linking it from here. If you do not have any shortcuts gift cards program set up, then simply click the add program button just here, okay? But again, I'm going to do this in a live demonstration and simply select gift card from the program details, okay? Now, if you do have any issues with this, I understand it may be a little bit complex the first time you do it. Please do give us a call. The number will be at the end and one of us will just simply walk through with it, okay? So don't worry. Don't feel you're alone in doing any of this. I can give you a hand. My colleague can give you a hand. It's not a problem. We'll walk through it with you. Okay, so now we've linked our gift cards. So as we can see, you can skip the gift card setup if you are not printing traditional gift cards, okay? So if you're just deciding you just want to do online gift cards and you don't ever want to print anything out, you can skip the top bit, okay? And go straight down to the bottom where it says digital gift card setup. Digital gift card is, of course, your online gift cards, okay? But again, I'm going to do this in a live demonstration. Set your website sales liability if you have multiple sites. That is this aspect just here. This is talking about head office, multi-site with filter and a specific site. But again, I'm going to go through all of that with you. And of course, update your terms and conditions. So now you've linked your gift cards to your online gift cards and you've set up all of your terms and conditions. We now need to follow these steps to sell your gift cards online, okay? And to do that, we need something called a widget code, okay? And the widget code can be created down the bottom. Now, once you've created this widget code, you will need to send it to your web designer, or if you're comfortable doing it yourself, and this will need to be embedded onto your website. This will create the buy a gift card button. Okay, so you're going to copy the website widget code and apply it to pages that you want to sell your gift cards from. A tab will then appear on the web page that allows your clients to buy a gift card, and this is what it looks like just here. And you can add this to as many pages as you want. So if you want multiple pages, that's not a problem. So how do clients buy a gift card? So when a client presses that buy a gift card tab, a window will open on the web page. That buy a card tab is what we just went through. The customer can buy a pre-formatted value, or they can enter their own amount. So 50, 100, 200, all of these kind of things. Don't worry, yours will be pound sterling. For those eagle-eye viewers, it will be pound sterling. The customer can then enter the name and the email of the recipient and include a personal message. So very, very, familiar stuff to most of us. I'm sure most of us have purchased online gift cards, that kind of thing. So what does the online gift card look like? So the recipient will get an email with the details of the gift card, the value of the gift, the personalized message from the sender, as well as a barcode so it can be redeemed, the contact details of the salon, and of course the terms and conditions that we went through earlier. The sender will also get an email receipt as well as the contact details of the salon that they've chosen a gift card for. And this is what it looks like here. So it will pull through your salon logo at the top. And you can see it looks brilliant. You've got all the wording underneath. We've got all the gift card value, the barcode, and so forth. And of course, a very nice personalized message. So how do we redeem a gift card? And like I said, I do have a webinar in the future, and there is also one on YouTube at the moment where we talk about how to redeem a gift card, okay? So when a client brings this online gift card in, maybe they'll print it out, maybe they'll show it on their phone, all of these kind of things. In the point of sale screen, select the other payment type option, and this is the other payment type option, sometimes referred to as the custom payment type option. Okay, and you're going to click the loyalty/gift card button just here. If you have a barcode scanner, you can scan the email that the customer received, okay? So on the email, there will be a barcode with a barcode number. You can scan that there to redeem it. Of course, if you don't have a scanner, you can just manually type in the card number, okay? And this is what the box will appear, and you can just simply type it in just here. If not, just simply scan it in there. The remaining balance, if there is any, will stay on the card. So they don't have to redeem it all at once. Just like any other gift card, it will just stay on there. Okay, so the remaining balance will be left. Okay, now we've set everything up and we know how to use them, we know how to redeem them. We need a way to promote these online gift cards to all of our clients, okay? So let these clients know that you have online and traditional gift cards available year round and not just for the holidays, okay? So you can add the gift card link to your company website. That's what we did just a few moments ago. You can use social media to promote your online gift cards, and you can send a blast email to your customers. Now you can do this via Shortcuts Marketing. Now, if you've never used Shortcuts Marketing, if you go onto our YouTube channel, /Shortcuts UK, we do have lots of videos on there regarding Shortcuts Marketing, okay? But we will be running it in the future as well, so fear not. So let's review what we've learned before we jump into our live demonstration. So we've learned why our business needs gift cards, the benefits of these gift cards. We've learned how to set up and redeem the cards, as well as how to promote your cards. So with that being said, I'm sure you're all eager to get your hands on these and get these set up ASAP. So if you do want to start using online gift cards, please contact our customer care team, okay? You'll need to have one of our Shortcuts packages, which is Essential, Evolve, Elevate, or Elevate Plus, in order to take advantage of this. And the number is 0161 972 4900, and it's option 2. Perfect. So if you do have any questions, there's going to be a little chat box at the end. So what we're going to move to now is a live demonstration. Okay, so hopefully most of that made sense, but we're going to move to our live demonstration. And then if you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know at the end. Now I'm going to leave this just here for a couple of minutes as well, just while I make sure everything's set up in the background. So you can contact our customer care team on customercareuk@shortcuts.co.uk. You can give us a call again on 0161 972 4900. We've got our website, shortcuts.co.uk. And of course, I do understand at these sort of uncertain and, unnerving times, everyone's a little bit nervous about what's going on. Just to put everyone's mind at ease as much as possible, on our website, shortcuts.co.uk, we do have a resource and a communication kit, and the website is just /COVID-19. But you will see the tab for that in the top left-hand corner. And it's got loads of information on there, things from the government. It's got communication kits, to stay in contact with your clients. There's a resource hub, which has got videos, how-to videos, tips, tutorials, and all these kind of things. But yeah, so do stay safe out there, everyone. But we're now going to move to our live demonstration. So we're going to open up Shortcuts Fusion first and foremost, okay? So like I said in the slideshow, you firstly need to check that the gift card payment processor is active in Shortcuts. And the reason for this is this will allow you to process the gift cards and online gift cards at the point of sale screen and of course redeem the money. So we need to make sure that the payment processor is set up first. Now, if you already have traditional physical gift card set up with us, you do not need to do this, okay? So just to reiterate, I'm going to run through setting up the gift card payment processor so gift cards can be redeemed. But if you're already using physical gift cards with us, that's Shortcuts physical gift cards with us, you do not need to do this. But if you're not, or you're not sure, or you just want to double check, I'm going to run through this now. So on your Shortcuts Fusion system, on the right-hand side, we're going to click onto Configuration. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click onto Payment Processor. Now, we will need to use the green arrow to scroll down. And just here, we will click onto Payment Processor. And just double check here, it's got Shortcuts Gift Card. Okay, so that's just what we need to just double check. Shortcuts Gift Card does appear here. Okay, if it doesn't, you may just need to click the Show Inactive button just here, because it may have been made inactive. And then simply hit the save button. But like I said, if you're already using physical shortcut gift cards, this should already be set up for you. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is ensure we have a payment type set up as gift card, because of course, like we saw in the other payment type, we're going to be clicking on the gift card button to redeem the online gift card money. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we're going to click the payment types button, but you can also use the green arrow just to take you directly back to the top. So we're now going to click onto payment types, and we're still under the configuration button. So we click onto payment types. And from the drop-down list just here, we're going to click gift card. Now remember, it's gift card, not gift certificate. And then just always make sure that the processor right down the bottom is Shortcuts gift card. Because that means it is linked to the payment processor we literally just set up, okay? But like I said, if you're already using physical gift cards, you will not need to do this. Hit the save button, and your Shortcuts gift card payment type is now set up, okay? So the next thing we need to do is ensure you have a Stripe account. Now, this will allow you to take the payments online for your online gift cards, okay? Now, unfortunately, I can't talk you through how to set up a Stripe account because Stripe account isn't sort of owned by Shortcuts or anything like that. But you just simply go onto Stripe, type it in on Google, and just link it to your business account and that kind of thing, okay? So like I said, you will need a Stripe account in order to receive payments online for the gift cards. If you're already using upfront payments, you will have already set your Stripe account up. Okay, so now we need to set up our Stripe account onto our console. So what we're going to do is navigate to the internet, and we're going to have a look at our online console. And this is it just here. This is our online console. And what we're going to do on the middle of the screen, we're going to click the Book Me Settings button, which is the one just in the middle with the neon signs around it. And on the right-hand side, we're going to click Upfront Payment Settings. Now, if you have multiple salons, multiple sites, you will just need to just ensure they are linked at all salons here, okay? You can do this in the top right-hand corner by clicking the drop-down arrow. Simply click onto Upfront Payment Settings. And again, if you've got more than one salon, you can toggle between the two here. Now, if you've already got your Stripe account linked, this is what you'll be presented with. If you don't, in the top right-hand corner, you will need to click where it says Connect to Stripe, okay? So if we click on to edit general settings, you will see my Stripe account is in the top right-hand corner. If you do not have your Stripe account connected, this is where you will need to do it. So there's my Stripe account. You can see all of the test details just here, but this is where you will need to connect it. And like I said, in the top right-hand corner, there will be a button where it says connect to Stripe, okay? Now, also, if you don't have a Stripe account and you've not created, you can also create one through here once you've clicked on to connect to Stripe. Perfect. So we've now connected our Stripe account. You don't need to necessarily worry about the bit down the bottom. That is for your upfront payments, okay? So you don't need to worry about this bottom section for your online gift cards. So now what we need to do is ensure we have everything set up for our online gift cards, okay? That's where we're going to set the terms and conditions for online gift cards. That's where we're going to get our widget code and so forth, okay? And this is done through the program setting. So from this screen here, you can simply click the start button in the top left-hand corner. And in the bottom right-hand corner, you will click the programs button, okay? And in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click administration, and then you're going to click program. Now, from the drop-down menu, you will simply find your salon, okay? So you literally click that and you'll find your salon. And this is what it should look like. So you'll find your salon. My salon is called Shortcuts. And then underneath, you're going to click where it says program on the right-hand side. Hit the drop down arrow and you're going to choose gift cards. Now, if the first time you do this from the drop down arrow, there is no gift card function, no gift card button. On the left hand side, you will need to click add program, and that will link your Shortcuts gift cards to this program just here. And you'll know when it's been linked up successfully because you will have everything just here. Now, like I said, if you're already using physical Shortcuts gift cards, all of this will already be here. So if you're just going to be using digital gift cards, you can scroll right down to the bottom, which is what we're going to be doing today. If not, you can set your physical gift card terms and conditions, expiry dates, and so forth through here. But as we're just going to be doing online gift cards, we're just going to scroll right down to the bottom to where it says digital gift card setup. So what we've done, just to sort of circle back there, in this screen just here, we have linked our Shortcuts gift cards to this program here, okay? So we're now gonna go through our digital gift card setup. So we can tick this box here where it says allow customers to purchase gift cards online. Now you may find at times you're not able to click anything and this may just confuse you. A handy tip in the bottom right hand corner, just make sure you click the edit button, okay? And this will allow you to make any changes. Okay. So we're just going to make sure the box is ticked where it says allow customers to purchase gift card. And then we've got website sales liability. Now, liability is sort of where that money is due back to. So who holds the liability for that money? So head office. Choose this option for liabilities to be held against head office only. These are for our academies and salons with lots of different sites that will have a head office option, okay? If you do have this and you're watching and you do have a salon with a head office, please do just drop us a call on 0161 972 4900, where we're just going to run through just a couple of things extra with you. That's only if you have a head office, okay? Multi-site. So choose this option to customize your widget for multiple locations. So of course, if you have a salon with more than one site, this is the one you're going to be using. Multi-site with filter. So choose this option to require the user to enter site name to filter by. Okay, so if you wanted to purchase a gift card at the Manchester site or the Reading site or the Windsor site, all of these kind of things, that's where you're going to filter it by first and foremost. Okay, so it'll be more than one salon with a little filter next to it. And specific site if you're just the one salon, okay? Or it can only be used at that specific site. Now, most of the time, gift cards can be redeemed at multiple locations, but specific site will be if you're just a single location business or you want all of the money to be held within a specific salon, okay? If that is the case for a specific site, you would have to choose it just here from the drop-down end. Then next to it, we've got the widget/app label text. And of course, this is buy a gift card, and that's what we went through earlier. And that's the button they will click where it says buy a gift card. And then underneath, we've got gift cards can be redeemed. This is all of our terms and conditions. So we'll just go through that, check, just make sure you're totally happy with everything, make the relevant changes. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click the save button, because what we need to do is lastly generate our widget code. Okay, so we're going to click the save button. Okay, and here is our widget code just here. Now, if yours doesn't appear underneath where it says copy widget code, simply click the generate button. Okay, and that will pull this script through just here. And lastly, you can simply copy it, or you can click the copy widget code button, and that will copy that script, and then you can email it to your web developer, email it yourself, that kind of thing, and get it embedded onto your website. And that is it, ladies and gents. That is how we can configure our shortcuts gift cards and set them up online. Now, like I said, we have had a fantastic response to this. It's been absolutely brilliant. We've had loads of uptake, so it's a great way moving forward. So last but not least, like I said, please do stay on our website. There's loads of information on there, loads of handy tips, tricks, videos, that kind of thing. We are also running a full day of webinars tomorrow. But stay safe out there, everyone. Thank you ever so much for listening. If you do have any questions, please feel free to drop those across now. Okay, so no questions as of yet, not a problem. Hopefully we met, oh, literally just as I say that one comes through. Yes, a very good question. Someone just asked, how do clients enter their payment details? So that is all done via Stripe, okay? So we'll purchase it via Stripe. Stripe is a very, very secure payment provider. Like I said, it's very much similar to PayPal. Yes, it is secure. It is a secure payment provider. They simply enter their details on there. It's very similar. You may have unknowingly done it when you've purchased things online yourself. You've done it through Stripe. So literally just enter their payment details, their card details, all of those kind of things into Stripe. It's pretty much exactly the same as purchasing anything online. Like I said, you may have done it yourself. You've been purchasing something online, and you may not realize you were purchasing through Stripe. But yeah, it's a payment provider. So that's how they pay. In terms of clients, when they purchase it, they probably won't really know they're purchasing something through Stripe or anything like that. They'll just think they're purchasing online. How do we get a report of online gift cards purchased? We don't have anything as of yet. It is something we are working on, because of course the uptake has been absolutely incredible. When we do our upgrade of shortcuts very, very soon, we're going to have a report showing it on there. But you will have a report in the programs just here for liability, which will show how much money is outstanding, which I would say probably for the time being would be sufficient enough to you. These reports can be found in the top left-hand corner, just here for reports. There's some fantastic reports in there for gift cards. But yeah, we don't have anything as specific as yet. Yes, it does. Very good question. So the income will show on your trading summary for VAT purposes. You may have noticed on your trading summary before, there's a column on the left-hand side where it says liabilities, and underneath it will have gift cards. So yeah, everything will appear as normal in your trading summary. Yes, absolutely. Yes, very good question. The terms and conditions can be customized. So down the bottom when you're doing it, if you click onto the edit button, just wait for that to load up. So here are the terms and conditions. You can just simply change all of these if you need to. So you will most likely find there is a default terms and conditions in there for you. But like I said, I do recommend you go through these and change these and make these relevant yourself. But yeah, the terms and conditions can be changed. So I've gone into the widget and copied it, but where does it go to? It kind of goes to your clipboard. So all you need to then do is just simply hit the paste button. But to make your life easier, if you wish to, if we just save that again, one of the best ways to do, just to ensure you've absolutely got it spot on, is to just, as if you were just copying and pasting anything else, just copy over the top of it. Just do make sure, as I didn't do there, you get all of it just in. And then you can just right click and then just copy it like normal. Yeah, copy it in the widget code, just kind of adds it to your clipboard and then you can paste it. But if you wish to, like I said, there's always more than one way to do something. There are shortcuts within shortcuts. You can literally just copy and paste over the top of it like that. Perfect. Any other questions or anything I can help anyone out with this morning? Okay, so just if there are any last minute questions, not a problem. Please feel free to fire those across. What you may just get, it may have already appeared, or it may just appear within 10 minutes if you just leave your browsing window open at the end of the webinar. You may just be presented to a little feedback screen just like this. And I'd be very appreciative if you could just take 2 or 3 minutes of your time just to go through today's webinar and just give us a little bit of feedback. It's just to ensure I am offering the highest level of service to everyone out there. And that sort of thing. It will literally probably take you 1 or 2 minutes just to go through. It will ask you what webinar you watched or what webinar you listened to. And you can just put down other and then just write gift card for this one. That's not a problem, and just go through that. I think there was one actually question just as I was saying that. Sorry. Oh, no problem at all, Haley. Okay, so just the last little bit there, just before we wrap up for this morning, I want to just say thank you and appreciate everyone taking the time to listen to me today. Like I said, if this was the first time listening to me, every Wednesday we will be running forward with an all day of webinars. Currently, the majority of them are geared towards COVID-19 to really help you out at this sort of unnerving and unsettling time. So we're going to be doing shortcuts marketing, using the cloud appointment book, all of those kind of things, which will really help you out. Tomorrow, we're going to be going through stock and all sorts of things like that as well, because, of course, it's a fantastic time to learn about stock takes, these kind of things, to get hot on all of that sort of thing. So we're going to be going through all of that tomorrow. But like I said, do stay tuned. Do subscribe to all of our webinars. We're going to have loads of interesting and fantastic information coming forward. But last but not least, of course, please do stay safe out there. And I hope everyone has a lovely rest of day. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to listen to me again. My name was Chris, and it's been a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you ever so much. Bye-bye.